Hello, everyone. Welcome to Simple English Family. I am so happy you are here today. Today, we are going to learn English at a coffee shop. You will hear two friends talk about drinks and food. Listen carefully, repeat the words, and have fun. Let's begin.
I am so tired today. I cannot focus. I am so tired today.
Me too, Maya. I feel tired too. Me too. I feel tired too.
I need a break. Do you want to take a break with me?
Yes, a break sounds great. What do you want to do?
I want to get a hot drink. Maybe coffee.
Oh, yes. Coffee is a great idea. I love coffee.
There is a coffee shop near our building. Do you know it?
Yes, I know it. It is called The Morning Cup. It is very close.
Perfect. Let us go there now.
Okay, let me get my bag. One moment. Let me get my bag.
Okay, I will wait for you here.
I'm ready. Let's go.
Oh, here we are. This is the coffee shop. Here we are.
Wow, it looks so cozy. I love it. It looks so cozy.
Look at the big windows. There is so much natural light.
Yes, and it smells amazing in here. Can you smell the coffee?
Yes, I love that smell. It makes me happy.
Look, there are comfortable chairs near the window.
Let us sit there. I love sitting near the window.
Great idea. This place is so relaxing. I already feel better.
Me too. Okay, let us look at the menu first. Here is the menu.
Here is the menu. Let me see. They have hot coffee, iced coffee, and tea.
Oh, nice. And look, they also have hot chocolate.
I did not see that. Hot chocolate sounds really good.
They also have food. Look, muffins, sandwiches, and toast.
Everything sounds delicious. I am a little hungry too.
Me too. I did not eat a big lunch today.
So, what drink do you want, Maya?
I want a flat white. It is coffee with milk. I like it a lot.
I think I want a hot chocolate. It sounds warm and sweet.
Good choice. And for food?
I want a cheese sandwich. I am quite hungry.
I want a blueberry muffin. I love muffins.
Great. So, one flat white, one hot chocolate, one cheese sandwich, and one blueberry muffin.
Yes, that's right. Let us go and order. Hello. Welcome to the Morning Cup. What can I get for you? Hello. Can I have a flat white, please? Can I have a flat white, please? Of course. What size would you like? Small, medium, or large? Medium, please. One medium flat white. Anything else?
Yes, I would like a hot chocolate, please. Also, medium. I would like a hot chocolate, please.
Great. 2 medium drinks. Would you like anything to eat? Yes, please. Can we have 1 cheese sandwich and 1 blueberry muffin? Of course. So that is 1 medium flat white, 1 medium hot chocolate, 1 cheese sandwich, and 1 blueberry muffin. Is that correct?
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
Is this for here or to go? For here, please. We are sitting by the window. For here, please. Perfect. Your total is £8.50.
Here you go.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes. Please enjoy. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Here comes our order. That was fast.
Oh, good. I am so hungry. Let me try my hot chocolate first.
Be careful, it might be very hot.
You are right. Let me wait one moment. Okay, now let me try it. This is so warm and sweet. I love it.
I am glad. Let me try my flat white now.
How is it?
It is smooth and creamy. The coffee is really good here, not too strong.
That sounds perfect. Now let me try my sandwich.
Yes, tell me how it is.
The bread is so soft and fresh, and the cheese is really good.
I am happy. Now I will try my muffin.
How was your muffin?
Oh, it is so soft and sweet. I can taste the blueberries. It is delicious. It is delicious.
Everything here is so good. I am really happy we came.
Me too. I feel so much better now.
This break was a great idea. The coffee shop is wonderful.
Yes. Let us come here again next week.
I agree. Next time, I want to try the iced coffee.
And I want to try the toast. It looked really good.
Okay, it is a plan. But now, back to work.
Yes, back to work. Thank you for coming with me, Tom.
Thank you too, Maya. This was the best part of my day. This was the best part of my day.
Wonderful. Great job today, everyone. You listened to a full English conversation at a coffee shop. Let's look at the words you learned today. Cosy, menu, flat white, hot chocolate, muffin, sandwich, smooth, delicious. These are very useful words. Please say them again with me. Cosy, menu, flat white, hot chocolate, muffin, sandwich, smooth, delicious. You are doing so well. If you enjoyed this video, please like it and subscribe to Simple English Family. See you next time. Goodbye.